bacon. I can see that. So the meats we have today,
And what he's talking, I'm fucking eating. Nah.
somebody invited some drunken Russian over here. Bill
Striker.
His name's Bill Yaz. And,
Glasnost.
What do we have here?
well, beaver,
Oh.
venison, and skunk.
No, I think that's 4.
Let me reach down and get one of them.
Get off. Put beaver in the sauce.
This is beaver sausage. Oh, beaver's good.
Vilnius is fucking amazing. Food is fucking great. The alcohol is great. Yeah, it's come.